El Salvador is a country with everything. Busy streets and quiet tropical forests, friendly locals and lots of wild animals, active volcanoes and loud waterfalls. There are as many ways to spend a vacation in El Salvador as there are tourists. Do-gooders can spend the day volunteering at an orphanage, and thrill-seekers can try sandboarding down the slope of a volcano. Here are some general tips on what to wear in San Salvador and a few things you should remember to bring with you when you go there. Number 1. Care about your health. El Salvador has great food, beautiful beaches, and lush rainforests. But it also has pollution, bad water, and food that isn't always checked for quality. Take care of these problems before you start packing. Always have a first aid kit with the right medicines in it. Ibuprofen, allergy medicine, cough and cold medicine, pills for motion sickness, antacids, bug spray, disinfectant, and sunscreen treat a wide range of illnesses. Make sure you bring hand sanitizer and tissues to help fight off germs. You can kill 2 birds with 1 stone if you bring soap that you can use for both your body and your laundry. Don't check liquids and gels, and instead use a silicone bottle that is okay with the TSA. Number 2. Be ready for anything. In El Salvador, it's usually hot and humid, and you never know what each day will bring. Leave room for surprises and bring clothes for all the things you might do. Put a swimsuit, a shirt that dries quickly, a raincoat, light pants or shorts, socks, shoes and sandals in your bag. You should also bring a hat and sunscreen to protect your skin from the harsh sun. El Salvador is a very laid-back place, so there's no need to bring fancy clothes. Pay attention to the weather and know if you're planning your trip for the rainy or dry season. Number 3. Footwear. When it comes to packing shoes, remember that less is more. You don't need to bring heels or dress shoes. If you want to go off the beaten path, all you need is a strong pair of shoes that will protect your feet and give you some support. The only other shoes you need are sandals. People in the area live in sandals. They are by far the most comfortable shoes. Put your dirty shoes and sandals in a shoe sack and keep them away from your dirty clothes. Number 4. Bring everything you need. Don't bring your whole office's worth of electronics with you. Most hotels, hostels, restaurants and coffee shops have Wi-Fi, so bring a laptop, phone and chargers to connect to the internet, answer some emails, upload photos and videos, and check in with loved ones. El Salvador's currency is the US dollar, which is one of the best things about going there. When you leave for the day, put all of your personal items in a safe and hide the money you're taking with you. Don't make yourself stand out by having big pockets. Keep your money, passport, and other valuables hidden in a money belt or neck wallet. Number 5. Take care of yourself. You don't want to be caught off guard. Know what you're going to be doing for the day and pack for it. Make sure you always have a first aid kit, an extra shirt, bottled water, sunscreen, bug spray, a translation book, and a bottle of water. When you go to El Salvador, pack your clothes, shoes and toiletries in a bag that fits in the overhead compartment of a plane. Leave your electronics in a small bag that fits under the seat in front of you. You can also use that bag as a day pack while you're out and about. You should also bring important things like a COVID-19 insurance for travel. All over the world, strict quarantine rules are being put in place. If you or a friend get COVID-19, you might be stuck with thousands of dollars worth of bills, nowhere to stay, and no way to get home. But good travel insurance can help. A touchless thermometer is the best way to measure temperature from a distance. You don't have to touch the object you're measuring to get a pretty accurate temperature reading. N95 masks and face masks make it normal to wear a mask when you're around other people. To be as effective as possible, masks must be used, stored, clean, and thrown away in the right way. Hand sanitizer or alcohol. Hand sanitizers are a good alternative to washing your hands with soap and water when you can't. They're also a great product to bring on an airplane. Travel disinfecting wipes. Using disinfecting wipes prevents cross-contamination and eliminates the need to clean dirty clothes used for traditional spray and wipe cleaning. They also clean with fast kill times, which makes sure that areas are cleaned and sanitized quickly. A case for a vaccine card. Vaccine cards wear out over time. An unreadable vaccine card can have severe consequences. Using a vaccine card protector keeps your card from getting dirty or worn out. Bring a virus and bacteria filtering water bottle with you as well. Tap water in some parts of the country may not be safe to drink, so it's helpful to have a virus and bacteria filtering water bottle. Plug adapter. A plug adapter that works with both Type A and Type B outlets. This should work in most places, but you might want to ask your hotel first. Data SIM card. A SIM card that works in San Salvador so that if one of yours gets lost, you can call your family. A good global SIM card works in most countries, but before you buy one, check the list of countries it works in. Money and passport pouch. You need a money pouch to keep your passport and credit card safe. Power bank. Power banks are useful for people who work on their phones or tablets all the time. When the battery on your laptop, phone, smartwatch, tablet or other device is about to die, or has already died, these devices can help. One of the best things about modern power banks is that they have more than one socket. Most, if not all, power banks have at least 2 USB ports. This means that you can charge more than one device at the same time. If you're going somewhere with children, you should consider bringing a small stroller for travel, travel crib made of feathers, a safe bed for toddlers, a hook for travel on a chair, a case that kids can ride on, and don't forget to bring your pillows with you when you travel by car or plane. So, these are all you need to pack when you plan to visit the finest El Salvador. Do you think we forgot to mention something? Let us know in the comments below.